Now keep one hand on your lower belly and then place the other hand on your chest. We'll do an exercise called wave breathing. So take a deep breath in again through the nose, but this time feel your abdomen expand. And then your ribs, and then your chest. As you exhale out through your nose, feel your chest soften, your ribs, and then your belly. Again, deep breath in, belly, ribs, chest, and then exhale, soften your chest, ribs, and then your belly. Allowing the breath to move through the body like an ocean wave. Taking a deep breath in. And deep breath out. Great. So now we're going to do an exercise called Buddha Holds Up the Earth. It's the flowing movement for the metal element. And this movement kind of mimics the movement of the breath through the body, like in that last exercise, the wave. So you take the arms, they're rounded, they're in front of you, elbows are soft, shoulders are relaxed. You float the arms up as you breathe into the belly, the ribs, the chest, and then you reach the arms up above the head, palms facing the sky, reach through your thumbs. And then as you exhale, you float the arms down, allowing the chest to soften, the ribs, and then the belly. Again, take a deep breath in as you lift the arms up, belly, ribs, chest, and then exhale, soften your chest, your ribs, and then your belly. Again, deep breath in. As you lift your arms up, draw your shoulders down and see if you can take an even deeper breath. And then exhale out through the nose as you lower your arms down. Let's do that again. Inhale. And exhale. Wonderful. Good, now I'm going to mirror you. So what I'll have you do for the next exercise, which is a side stretch, you're going to lift your right arm up towards the sky. Your left arm will stay down. Reach through the heel of your hands, but keep your elbows soft. Your knees are soft. And then you'll side bend over to your left, lengthen through your legs, and take a deep breath in, breathing into the lungs, feeling that stretch of the ribs. And then as you exhale, you'll stand tall, soft knees. You'll change arms, so the arms are going to spiral along the center line of your body. Pinky fingers face towards your chest. You'll lift your left arm up, right arm down. So in this position, you are gathering the energy above you, the yang energy from the universe, and then gathering the yin energy from the earth beneath you through the palms of your hands, because the hands are very receptive in terms of taking in energy and also putting energy out. Side bend over, lengthen through your legs, take a deep breath in, exhale. Spiral the arms, side bend, inhale, center, soften your knees and change your arms. This is a great exercise to not only open up the joints of the spine, but also to open up the ribs so that we can take deeper breaths. Sometimes when we're under stress, the muscles between the ribs can tend to be a little tight. So this will help open up those muscles. We take deeper breaths. And when we can take deeper breaths, we tend to be more calm clear and focused and energized. Side bend. Good. Now stand tall. Let's lower this top arm down. And now let's perform an exercise that is similar in name to that breathing exercise that we did before. This one is called the wave, and it invites us to move with the quality of water. So we start with the hands lightly at the thighs, knees are soft, you send the hips back, you bring the chin forward as you bend forward from your waist. You drop your head, curl your tailbone under, and slowly roll up through your spine as you inhale. And then exhale as you bend forward. I'll go profile so you can see. Slowly roll up through your spine as you inhale through your nose. Exhale out through the mouth as you bend forward. So another way to achieve this movement is to think that your chin, imagine that your chin is drawing circles. So as you roll up, your head is the last thing to lift, the shoulders are relaxed, and then exhale as you bend forward. And then you're going to roll up, the head is the last thing to lift. Now let's do the same exercise but in reverse. So you're going to bring your chin to the chest and roll down. Rolling down through your spine. And then lift the head. Up and back. Take a deep breath. Exhale as you roll down. So this exercise is a great way to mobilize the joints of the spine. And it also stretches and strengthens the muscles of the back as well as the muscles in the front of the body, the abdominal muscles and the chest muscles. Opens up two pathways of energy. The back of the body is referred to as the yang surface of the body, sometimes even thought of as the river of yang, and the front of the body is often referred to as the river of yin. It's the yin surface of your body. So we're opening up those big pathways of energy. Good, and then now you're going to stand nice and tall. I'll face forward again. Next exercise we're going to do is called knocking on the door of life. So here we are, legs shoulder width apart, knees soft, and you turn from your hips and your waist to your right, and then your left, looking over your shoulder, and knocking the arms against the body, against key pressure points for vitality, energy, and health. Take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. Make sure that your knees are soft and your feet feel firmly rooted into the earth. Shoulders are relaxed, and the crown of your head is lengthening towards the sky. It's a great exercise to open up the joints of your spine, release any tension in the low back. Now allow your movement to slowly unwind. Slowly unwind, slowly unwind, until you're still. And just feel the energy moving through your body in the stillness. Now let's move on to an exercise called shaking. So shaking is all about cleansing and clearing the body of old energy so that we have space for something new. To bring something new into life, into our bodies. So start by shaking out your hands, your wrists, your elbows, and then gently pulsing into your feet, your knees. Breathe in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Again, breathe in through your nose. Exhale out through your mouth. Let's take a couple more breaths together. Inhale. Exhale. And then slow the movement down. Slow it down until you're still, and just observe that tingling sensation in your body. That's your life force energy. Sometimes Qi represents itself as tingling, a buzzing. Just observe it.